Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to view network usage on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to monitor your data usage while using WhatsApp and helps you manage your network consumption effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the options that appear. Step 4. Tap on Storage and Data from the Settings menu. Step 5. Now tap on Network Usage to view detailed information about your network usage on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you can easily keep track of your network usage on WhatsApp, ensuring that you stay within your data limits and avoid any unexpected charges. We hope this guide was helpful to you. If you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful content.